Hey guys, welcome to Quizzer Academy channel.
Think you know world currencies? Let's find out. From dollars to dinars. Some are famous, others will blow your mind. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon. Let's start this challenge. What is the currency of Japan? Think fast. Can you identify this one before time runs out? Japan's official currency is the yen, symbolized by yen, introduced in 1871. What currency is used in the United Kingdom? Traveling across borders. Name this nation's money. The British pound is one of the world's oldest currencies, still used despite the EU adopting the euro. What is the currency of the United States? Comment your country below. Where are you playing from? The US dollar, USD, is the most traded currency globally and the world's primary reserve currency. Which currency is used in India? Subscribe our channel for our weekly quizzes. The Indian rupee, INR, is issued by the Reserve Bank of India and features Mahatma Gandhi's portrait. What is the currency of Canada? Money talks. But can you guess which currency is this? Canadian dollar is known for its colorful polymer notes, is nicknamed the loonie. Which currency is used in Australia? Looks easy? Let's see if you're still confident after this one. The Australian dollar features transparent sections and native wildlife illustrations. What is the official currency of China? The Chinese yuan, also called renminbi, means people's currency. What is the currency of Germany? What is your answer? Share with us in comments. Germany adopted the euro in 2002, replacing the Deutschmark after joining the Eurozone. What currency is used in South Korea? The Korean won features historical figures like King Sejong, who created the Hangul alphabet. What is the currency of Pakistan? Hit bell icon for more exciting quizzes. The Pakistani rupee features Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and national landmarks. Which currency is used in Brazil? The Brazilian real, BRL, means royal and replaced the Cruzeiro in 1994 during an economic reform. What is the currency of Russia? Your global IQ test continues. Identify this currency. The Russian ruble is one of the oldest national currencies, dating back to the 13th century. What currency does South Africa use? Hurry up, time's ticking. The South African rand was introduced in 1961 and features Nelson Mandela's portrait. What is the currency of Italy? Can you beat the clock? Italy switched from the lira to the euro in 2002 as part of the Eurozone integration. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? The Saudi Riyal features the Kaaba and portraits of Saudi kings, symbolizing its heritage. What currency is used in Turkey? If you're a true currency expert, you'll know this one instantly. The Turkish lira underwent a major redesign in 2005 to remove 6 zeros from inflation-era notes. What is the currency of Mexico? The Mexican peso originated from the Spanish dollar and remains one of Latin America's strongest currencies. What is the currency of Switzerland? This one will test your true world knowledge. Switzerland's franc is famous for its artistic note designs and stability. Which currency is used in Egypt? The Egyptian pound features hieroglyphs and monuments from ancient civilization. What is the currency of Nigeria? If you get this one right, you're officially in the top 10%. Introduced in 1973, the Nigerian naira replaced the British pound and symbolizes independence. What currency is used in Thailand? Wait, did you subscribe? If not, then subscribe our channel. The Thai baht depicts King Rama, traditional Thai symbols of prosperity. What currency does Malaysia use? If you know it, say it out loud now. The Malaysian ringgit means jagged, referring to the serrated edges of early silver coins. Which currency is used in the Philippines? Think carefully, but act quickly. The Philippine peso showcases famous leaders like Jose Rizal and historical sites. What is the currency of UAE? Don't forget to share your scores in comments. The United Arab Emirates dirham reflects the nation's oil wealth and cultural heritage through elegant designs. What is the currency of Hungary? If you want second part, then comment second. The Hungarian forint replaced the pengo after World War II to stabilize the economy. So how much did you crack share you score in comments? And don't forget, we're dropping weekly quizzes that unlock epic knowledge and challenge what you think you know. So hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on the bell to stay ahead of the mystery curve.